Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And as you can see here guys, I have the LG Stylo 3 and I'll be showing you how to do a hard reset, or in other words to erase everything on your device. So of course, let me just show you right here that this is actually the LG Stylo 3. So I'm going to go into settings and I'm going to go into the about section. Once I'm in here, I'm just going to find the about section. Then I'm going to show you that this is the LG Stylo 3. Doesn't really matter which version, should be a similar setup, as this will be the hardware keys. As you can see, there says phone name LG Stylo 3 and you can see the various informations here. So we're gonna go ahead and erase this device. Alright, so let's go straight into it to show you first what you're gonna do. As you can see on the back of the device here, and you can see the volume buttons to the side, the power buttons to the back, and what you're gonna do here is that you're going to simply press the volume down button, which is the lower button right here at this side. So that's the volume down, and of course you'll be using as well than the volume down, you'll be using the power button at the back just beneath the flash of the camera. So as you can see here, the power button. Now the procedure is we're going to power off the phone, then we're going to hit and hold volume down while holding at the same time the power button. And of course once we see the boot logo, we're going to let go and we're going to press the power again while holding still onto the volume down button. Now that you have gotten that, let's go straight into it. So let me just power off this device. To power off, you simply can just simply long press the power button at the back to bring up the right here to bring up the boot menu. So just go ahead and press. You should see the power menu. Go ahead and press the power off option. So just go ahead and tap power off, and of course it's going to ask you to confirm, so hit power off. There you go. Should take you a few seconds. You saw the LG logo just then. Alright, once you're sure that the phone is off in a few seconds. Alright, so you might not be able to see this. I'll be holding the power button at the back and the volume down, so I will have to turn this around. Please forgive me as I'm handling this with one hand while shooting this video. So I'll be holding volume down and power as demonstrated right here. I'm not really pressing it, I'm just showing you what to hold. And then of course you're going to release the power and hold the volume down and hit power again. So notice now I'm going to do it right now. So here we go. So here we go. So here it is, as you can see. Alright, so I'm going to start now. And let's go. So there I've hit the power button and I'm now holding on to the at the back. And while you weren't seeing, I've actually tapped the power button, release and press again. As you can see here, use the volume up and down keys to navigate and use power to select OK. Alright, next, when you're sure, just simply use volume down and use the power to select yes. And that yes says to erase all user data and restore default settings. So once you do that, it should erase the device. If you want to back out of the menu, go ahead and hit no or highlight and select no. And once you do that, the device will reboot. And I'm just showing you to get to this menu. I'm not going to really do it on this device. So that's how to do a hard reset using the hardware keys. Quite simple on the LG Stylo 3. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, this is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying goodbye until next time. Bye guys.